So you'll see in your bucket, you have a clipboard. So each person needs a clipboard. And you have sheet protectors. So you need one of those, and I always clip it to the clipboard. Now, what you notice about this sheet protector, they're usually whiteboards. When someone asks you to work out a problem, it's usually on a whiteboard. But this one is special because on one side it's yellow, and on the other side is green. So if you are asked to do something, to solve something, and you're a little iffy about it, like you're not really sure, write it and solve it out, work it out on the yellow side. If you're really confident about it, turn it over and work it out on the green side. And that's just for me. So when I'm walking around and I'm looking at your work, if I see a yellow, I'll give some extra special attention to you to make sure that you're on the right track, okay? So right now, oh, and there are dry erase markers on the inside. So you need a dry erase marker. Get a dry erase marker. So I would like for you to put the clipboard on your lap. So you keep it private for right now. Scoot your chair back a little bit so you can write. And I would like for you to tell me everything you know about a polynomial. If it's not very much, it's okay. If it's a lot, that's okay too. Anything you know about a polynomial. Yes, sir.
Polynomial could be a...
No, I'm sorry. I want you to write it on your whiteboard. Okay, so now I want you to put your whiteboards up and discuss in your group the definition that you have. If you see that someone else in your group has something that's really good you want to add to your definition, go ahead. But I'm listening for your conversations, so go ahead.
All right, I put polynomial can be a monomial, which is 1, a binomial, which is 2.
All right, now we're going to share out. Now, this is an app called Decide Now, and it's a randomizer. Now, I know that I have all your names here. I have all your names, so you don't know who's going to be called on. Now, if I call on you and you're like uncomfortable, you can tag someone, but then I'm coming back to you, okay? So when you tag someone, listen very carefully because I'm coming back to you, okay? All right. Well, first, let me see in my second period. Sergio.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you have for polynomials, hon?
Polynomial can have many numbers.
I'm sorry?
Polynomial can have many numbers.
Many numbers? Okay. Inside your buckets, you have cards. On one side, we're going to deal with this side first. On one side, it says agree. On the other side, if you flip it over, it says disagree. And on sideways, it says has more to add. Okay, so I want everyone participating. Now, we don't really move. We just hold it like this. We don't really move the clip around. So that's extra steps, right? So if I agree with him, I'm going to hold it like this. If I disagree, I'm going to hold it like this. If you agree with him, but you have more information, you're going to put more to add up, okay? So let's practice using that. Sergio, what did you say again?
That polynomial have many numbers.
Now, you're going to show him because he's going to call on you. So Sergio, look around at what your classmates are thinking. Choose someone that has something to say to you.
I would say that a polynomial could be it could be many numbers, but a monomial which is 1 term, a binomial which is 2 terms, trinomial which is 3 terms, and a polynomial which is 4 more terms.
Okay, what do you think about what LaQuad had to say? LaQuad, turn around and look at your classmates. Does anyone have more to add? If you agree with him, put up an agree. Come on, show him your support. Oh, someone has more to add.
Okay. I said polynomials usually have 1 term, and in term you can have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
Okay, I'm glad you added something that we can combine. They are combined. Okay, the polynomials have things that we combine here. So I'm eyeballing it and I'm looking across. And I see that I can combine 2x squared and what? Negative 3x squared. And what am I going to get when I combine that?
Wouldn't it be negative 6x4?
You add
Oh, it's add.
What would I get?
negative 1 x squared.
Negative positive 5x squared. Positive 5x.
Positive 5x squared. Agree or disagree? Use your cards, use your cards, use your cards. Agree or disagree? Okay, look around. Look, turn around and pick a student that disagrees with you.
It's negative 1. Because if I owe you $3 and I got 2, I'm going to owe you 1 more. So it's negative 1.
Negative 1x squared. So Octavius says negative 1x squared. I need to see your thinking. What do you think? Put up your card. Agree or disagree? Show him, not me. Negative, okay. What else am I combining? I'm looking across. Huh?
Positive x.
Okay, I see an x. Is there another one that matches with that x? 4x. All right. So I have x, 4x. What am I getting when I combine them? Agree or disagree? 5x. Yeah, you're getting faster. All right. On the back of your agree disagree card, I just want to briefly tell you what these dots mean. So, if I ask you a question like, so how are you feeling about polynomials? Green means, I got this. Yellow means, I'm a little iffy, I have a few questions. Red means, I need a lot of help, which is fine. I need to know this. You need to be honest because I need to know. Because next time we're together, I'm going to be, okay, remember this, remember this. So, my question to you is, how do you feel about adding polynomial functions? Show me. We're not showing it. We're just showing me with your card. How do you feel about, okay, thank you for your honesty. Thank you for being honest. As I'm walking around, I know because I'm monitoring you. Okay, good.
Do you like it? Do you don't like it? Or you need help?
Right. It's not whether you like it or not. Listen, I may not like something, but I can do it. All right. So it's, yeah, I'm not asking whether you like it. Can I do it by myself? I think so. I need a little help every now and then, and that's okay. Or I need a lot of help. Please come around and help me every once in a while. Let me see. All right, good.